What up, y'all? It's been a minute, man. I'm back with a little video for y'all. As y'all can see, I got my little baby out. You feel me? My Taurus G3c. I got a new accessory to add to my baby, so I'm gonna put it on for y'all. We all gonna just see how I look on that beauty. But yeah, I got me a new little baby. Ooh. Let me see. But yeah, y'all. Let me show y'all what I got in the mail. Okay, well, yeah, what's this? Okay, they gave me, okay, so I ordered actually a new barrel, y'all. Yeah, and as you can see, got that Taurus, boy. Got me a little baby on deck. Got that gold. Oh, shit. That bitch is sexy. Sexy. I know. But nah, this is really nice. It's clean. Look at that. Clean ass barrel. Woo. So yeah, y'all. I'm about to put this bitch on. We gonna see how this look on my little baby. See, I got that little silver joint. Feel me, the little silver. We about to switch that out real quick. All right, you know, first things first, we gotta. I already made sure I did my, you know, my little check and shit. You feel me? Bullet right there. Clips, clips, clips. You feel me? So we gonna get that safety first. You feel me? All right, so I gotta take this to slide off first. So if y'all don't know how to take off the slide, you see these little, it's like, they like little buttons and shit on the side right there, right? You press down on them, bro. Press down. No, matter of fact, my bad. I'm fucking up. You rack it back, then press down on it. Then you press down on the other side. And then what you gonna do is you gonna pull that trigger. And when you hear that trigger click and that slide move, it's off of there. You feel me? Got that bad baby. Yes, sir. So, we're going to take that apart right there. That little coil part. Put that right there. We're going to say bye-bye to the old barrel. Bye-bye barrel. It's the old barrel. You feel me? That bitch still clean. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Put that to the side. We're going to add that new baby. Dope. Damn. Okay, look. Starting to look good. I don't know. I think I like it. Alright, let's see. I got me a new barrel because I wanted to add a little razzle dazzle to my my new baby. Alright, so I got it on there. Hopefully it stick. It'll be straight. Look like it's gonna stick together on there. It's on there. Got it fully on there, you feel me? Got a little oil on the front, but it's okay. Alright. We're gonna put this on. See? If it go on fully. Hold on. Having a little technical difficulty. There we go. Whoo! Okay. Alright, hold on. Let me. Well, that didn't come off, but it's okay. It's a little oil. Okay, hold on. Let me put one of my mask. Hold on. Oh. All right, now. This bitch looks nice. Hold on. Got that new barrel on the hood. barrel on that Taurus. Stop playing. That bitch clean as hell though. Got that gold barrel. What, that 17 round? Oh, y'all. And y'all didn't even get the chance to see. Hold on, wait. I got something else too. Hold on. So I got a new grip for my shit too. Cause I ain't like the little rough. Like, it's cool, don't get me wrong, but the little rough shit they got on here, I don't like that. Cause it be hurting my hand a little bit. Scratching me up. So I went ahead and got this grip sleeve. I feel like everybody should get one. Cause if you feel like if your gun like how my gun is and you see this, like, that shit rough as hell, bro. Come on now. But that bitch nice. And hold on, I'm gonna show y'all my other little thing I got. Found my laser. But this is what I wanted to show y'all, that I got a laser to go with my Taurus, you feel me? And I'm gonna call this GM Con. GM Con. I don't know how to pronounce it for real, but that's how I'm gonna say it though. But yeah, let me show y'all. You know, they gave me like some extra little, you know, stuff if I needed, just in case I lose a little screw or something like that. Screw a little side piece that, you know, attached to the screw, whatever. Then they gave me a little, you know, souvenir right here. You feel me? A little souvenir. They gave me a little souvenir for my baby. So, yeah. And I'm about to put this bitch on for y'all so y'all can see the whole look. This bitch ain't nothing to play with though. So hold on. I have to hold on now. Do that again. It sound good. That sound good for real. But yeah, this how I be putting my little laser on. Hold on. I hold that bitch like this. Put this on like this. Hold on. Boom. Yep. All right. And then, boom. Put the screw on up in there. Put the screw up in that hole. Right. The screw, boom. Screw that little bitch on there. See, hold on, let me see if it's gonna work. Oh, yep, it did. It did, you guys. Excuse the ashy hands. Screw that on a little bit more, a little bit tighter. I mean, if you got a screwdriver, you do it with a screwdriver or whatever you need for that, but yep, it's on there. It's on there good enough. Boom. That bitch is going crazy. Now we gonna put that 17. Matter of fact, fuck that. We about to put that, hold on, that big boy up in there. Hold on. You already know. That big boy. That 32 Pro Mag. Hell yeah. Whew. Dang. That barrel, that gold barrel, bro. Bro, come on now. Come on now. Y'all see that light on that bitch? Huh. Y'all see that laser on that bitch? Stop playing. Hold on. Let me do this. Hold on. We gonna fuck it. Yes, sir, ski. Stop playing with that Taurus. Bitch, I really did do that. I did that. Look at my baby. Looking good. Hold on. Ooh. 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 But yeah, y'all. That's really my upgrades for my Taurus G3c. I got the grip sleeve. I got the light laser combo, that GM con. And then I got that barrel for real. I ain't gonna change my slides because I really don't. I mean, not my slide, but my optic. I really don't care about the little these. I don't care for real. I ain't about to change it, but yeah, y'all. My baby look good with that new barrel. Stop playing. And with that motherfucking light laser. But yeah, y'all. That's how that bitch look for real. Hey, I appreciate y'all for watching me, y'all. Y'all come back for another video, man. Or come back when I post another video or whatever, you feel me? Shit, I'll catch y'all on another one, man. Peace.